Hey scrappers, Tom here from the iScrap app, and if you're in the Christmas spirit or the holiday mood, do I have a video for you. But if you're watching this in April, who cares, because that means that you found these Christmas lights and you're here to make money. So in front of me I have not one, but two different types of Christmas lights. Would you strip these material? Give me a hell no. Hell no would I strip this material. First and foremost, when you look at this stuff, it is super, super thin. You have a big layer of insulation on it, and inside you have not a solid strand of copper. What you have is all this different hair wire. So you're not going to strip this, because when you strip this, look what's happening already. Pieces of copper falling out. So when you look at Christmas lights, different sizes, whatever it is, whether the bulbs pop off like this, or you have to take them. We all know these. Remember these as a kid? You had to pop these out. What a pain in the butt. A, you don't want to do this. This is a lot of extra work. Yeah, sure, there's a little piece of copper in there, but we're not making money on that.
Hey, Tom, do scrapyards require you to take bulbs off?
No, they don't require you to take bulbs off unless they're glass. I personally don't like glass ones, because if for some reason we get a lot of these and we go to crunch them, then we have all small pieces of glass. That's a big cut hazard. If you have the plastic ones, yeah, it breaks, but it kind of meshes together. Now, copper Christmas lights on average are about 15% copper, maybe up to 20, but not normally. And that's because all of the extra plastic from the bulbs. So are these great to scrap? Absolutely. Are they great to strip? Absolutely not. So when you get these, leave them alone. Ask your scrapyard what their preference is when it comes to bulbs. The big ones, they might want off because they're easy, but you're not making more money with these, so less work is more money in my opinion. And please, 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 please don't comment and tell me, oh, I love stripping these. No, you don't. Look at these. This is a huge pain in the butt. You got all these cords. It's almost impossible, so please don't tell me I'm wrong on this. Sometimes I'm wrong and my opinion isn't good. This one is dead on. This stuff is generally an export item. It gets sent overseas, chopped up, melted, but it's not something you're gonna do. So in the holiday spirit, Merry Christmas, ho, 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 don't strip Christmas lights.